A few weeks ago, I stopped by K&K Audio. Kevin has an open house on Sunday afternoons, and people can bring their audio equipment, amplifiers, to be repaired or fixed or modified. And of course, when that is completed, it gets hooked up to his stereo equipment for testing. Here is a quick video tour of his sound system so you can get an idea of the layout of the equipment. And vinyl records never die. Yes, I have lots of detailed pictures of this amazing turntable. Lots of vacuum tubes everywhere. Now these amplifiers are prototypes, and some of them are experimental, or maybe they're all experimental. On these amplifiers you can't see, but the tubes are underneath, and I have a shot later where you can see some of the tubes sticking out from the bottom. And here's some more pictures of different equipment, and also the bottom of the speakers here. And here's the connection to the speakers. I find the configuration of this amplifier very interesting. You can clearly see that there are vacuum tubes in this amplifier, but they are not in the finals of the amplifier. Here is a much closer look at that amazing turntable. That platter that you're looking at weighs 45 pounds, and the metal knob at the top actually secures the record to the top of that platter. Now here's a closer look at the cartridge that's on the tone arm, and here is a closer look at the gimbal assembly for the tone arm. Here is a look at the motor that drives the platter. You can see that the motor is on the left-hand side, and it drives that platter with this large belt.
That may have happened the last time, so yeah. So we're gonna have to do some work by unleashing the boards and tipping them out. But that's okay.
Earlier I had mentioned that one of the purposes of these get-togethers was to work on audio equipment, and here they're changing out some audio components with some much quieter audio components, which will be a significant improvement in audio quality.
You were once a football player, right? So
What
what we're going to do is we're going to set,
Yeah, for my
get current sources here. We've got a shunt resistor here.
Yeah, he lived in Lincoln.
You have the current tap, the tube, and the
Little farm out there.
and the source resistor to ground.
Super
Those are parallel paths.
trained up and
This connects to the bottom of this, even though it's a
prior
little
to that
way,
when he lived
it actually does. That's why we put the jumper in here to make that happen.
how big it was.
Now that the modifications have been completed and the bench testing has been completed, Kevin now hooks up the modified amplifier to his system for testing, and the sound quality is excellent. Very quiet and extremely accurate. Here are a few more amplifiers that were being worked on that particular Sunday. This really has me fascinated, the way that they're using both solid state and vacuum tubes together to produce some very clean and accurate audio. I have supplied a link to Kevin's website in the description of this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I found this equipment to be very interesting. Thanks for watching.